everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my CraftyBonbons Christmas bumper box. So this is a box that they release every December for Christmas. Obviously, it's filled with goodies that you can use for your December daily, your card making perhaps, and any kind of journaling and planning. So they have two options. It's either tree box or a cherry. I think it's a cherry or a red berry box. I chose the tree this time because last year I had the cherry. The contents varies from one box to another, but most of them are all similar, if that makes sense. There's just some slight difference sometimes. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. So, oh, I love this. Okay, there's lots of confettis that I can use in my December daily. And oh, this is so fancy. It's like a Christmas cracker card. Oh yeah, so Cheryl, dear Cheryl, thank you so much for your continued support. Love, Ali and Debbie. So that's really pretty. So that's gonna be going in my December daily journal. So I'll put that onto one side. Oh, I love these confetti, so I'll just save them again. Pop that in there. So let's see what's inside this box. Where's my scissors? Oh my days, you can see it's like full again. Oh my lovely. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so I was out of frame. Let's do this again. So initially I saw this pen. It's a crystal pen, and I'm sure this is black in ink. So, oh, how is this? I'm sure this is a twisty pen. Oh. Ah, see, it's a twisty pen. Okay, the ink is black, so that's great. Right, let's do that. Pop that in there, and then you get these information about the box collaboration and the CraftyBonbons group on Facebook. So there you go, and it just tells you about the two Etsy shops that collaborated to make this awesome box, which is Crafty Alley Cat on Etsy and Stick It with Bonbons on Etsy. And you get a vinyl sticker instructions, because you then get these beautiful vinyls that are personalized. This one's personalized. Some of them aren't, which is great. So they're gonna go in my December daily journal. You get a packet of snowflakes. Oh, that can go in my December daily journal. Then you get a stamp, beautiful clear stamp. And then I've asked for an A5 traveler's notebook insert. So this inside it is like a cream colored dot grid paper, and the paper quality is beautiful. Like that. And then you get a Christmas hat, whatchamacallit, paper clip. Oh, that is so cute. So that's gonna go in my December daily, I guess. More vinyl stickers. And then you get four kind of like adhesive labels for your envelopes, for your, if you're letter writing, or even you can even use this for your journaling on your journals, on your December daily journals. And you get these sticky notes. It's Santa Claus. Oh, how cute is that. Then you get some journaling cards. That is kind of like similar to that one, isn't it? That's really beautiful. New Year's resolution. Oh, that is so pretty, so gorgeous. Then you get a washi tape. I'm sure that this varies from box to box, but that is really cute. It's like poinsettia. Then you get some sticky dots, or like, I don't know, these are like embellishments, sticky back embellishments. And then some lovely die cuts. Oh my goodness. Oh my days. That is so cute. Look at that. Sorry, I've got some writing in my hand. That is so cute. Snowman. Big ribbon. A gonk. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Little gonks. And oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, so that's that. I'll get that later on. And another packet of die cuts. So there's that kind of like, what's that? Christmas tree leaf. Oh, another cute snowman. Oops. Holly leaves. Presents. That is so cute. Pudding cupcake. So these are like Christmas tree branches. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh, you've got that is so adorable. Oh my lovely, that is so pretty. Okay, so right. Oh, another set of die cuts. See, I told you, just get loads and loads and loads in here. So you get that. Oh my days. Oh no. Okay. Christmas tree. Another ribbon. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, it slays pretty. Present again. Oh, Christmas and a little deer. Oh, you get so much in this box. And then another packet of die cuts, but this time it's those foiled ones. Oh, how cute. Oh my days, how cute is that? Let's show you. Into that. How cute is that? I'm sorry if it's glaring, but that is so adorable. Holly leaves. Some presents. A little tag. Says jingle all the way. Little robin in skates. That's another. Oh, another one of that. So I'll put that red one along with that. Where is that too? And you've got the snow globe. Oh my goodness. Right, that's that. And then you get bits and bobs. So I won't open this. Oh no, I will actually. So this is basically bits and pieces like die cuts, ephemera, embellishments, and some 10 by 10 centimeters, I think it's 4 by 4 paper, some more embellishments. So you can use this for your cards, making your cards. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. So you get a lot in there. Again, there's some bits and pieces there. Right. So this is stickers, like washi stickers. Just different foiled design. And they're cute. Okay. And then you get wax seals. Oh my days. I love this. Ooh. What's really fun is that, see, that says angel. These are some Christmassy ones. So it says Merry Christmas in that one. Candy canes. Snowman. Christmas tree. And deer, and your my initials, which is S. Oh, it's really pretty. How fun. Okay, so that's that. And you get a set of foil puffy retro stickers. Huh? Cute. And then another set of stickers, but this is, I think this is white. And yeah, they're like vinyl-y. That's cute. I don't know whether you can see that. Sorry for the glare again. Then you get some, whatchamacallit, Christmas lights. Oh, this will be fun on your December daily. I'll use that. This is sticker toppers. So they're 3-dimensional. Oh, that's pretty. Then you get, I think this is a white pen. High gloss pastel pen, but it's in white. And then you get a letter set. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of these that matches this set of stickers, letter stickers. And then you get a little packet of, sorry, oh, papers. Oh, wow. Oh wow, that is so cute. Oh my days. Oh, how cute. Right. Sorry, I keep saying cute. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. Right, let's take that. And then you get some papers. One-sided paper. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one's really nice. That one's really pretty too. That one's really nice. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's the paper. Sometimes underneath the box there's something. Oh, there is. Oh my days. Right, so what is this? Oh, this is our, oh, you've got some like really some washi sticker flakes. Oh my days. Okay. Oh, so, and then you get the stamp pad, and then you get a glue stick, and then you get some glitter. I won't open that. And then what is this? And then you get oh, I love this. This is going in my tree. So you get a Christmas decoration. This is going in my tree. Like right now. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. What else? Oh, this is another one, or another ornament here with your special, you say personalized ornament there. Okay, that's going in the tree. That's going in the tree. That's going in my December daily. Okay. Right, just double checking that I haven't missed anything. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put that there. Oh, all right. So that is it. That is my CraftyBonbons bumper box for this year. So I hope you like what I've shared. There's a lot of it, and I'm so excited to play with it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.